It's crazy how your heart just has a mind of its own. Yeah. Well, the funny thing about this heart of mine, it knows what it wants. See, the crazy thing is, my mind tries to deny it. Girl, I can't fight what I know.
He's on the show, he made it. There's one.
I want you. See, I've waited all my life for someone like you, someone like you.
Yeah, right there.
He's Team Christina all the way. Is he not? I mean, I have to have you.
Blake is so
Ignore them.
confused.
Ignore those two.
What just happened?
I want you. I want it.
Yeah.
You won all these people over. Let's just keep winning together. If you're interested in winning, just come here.
Okay, it's time. Who do you pick as your coach?
Christina.
Hey you, thanks so much for watching The Voice on YouTube. Click over here to subscribe and make sure to check out some of the other amazing videos on this channel.